How do we emotionally take care of ourselves during the time of COVID-19? Our species goes through things like this and these big changes every 75, 80 years. And that's why every generation thinks that this is the change that only happened to them. It's very easy to take this change personally and think that this is going to be permanent. But you know what? We as a species has gone through changes like this ever so often. Not often enough to remember them, but we have. So take comfort from the fact that we today are most equipped. Well, if we can't say most, we can at least say we're better equipped than we've ever been to take care of any pandemic. Right, but during this pandemic, our physical health is definitely being taken care of. What do we do about our emotional health? Couple of things. Start thinking about the way you're thinking. Are you exaggerating? Are you telling yourself, I can't deal with this? Are you telling yourself that everything is going to go to the dogs? Everything is wrong. So think about your thinking. Is your thinking helpful? Is your thinking making you feel any better or not? When it comes to your behavior, are you keeping yourself active? I understand not everyone can work out, but you know what? Even if in the chair, sitting in the chair, you can do some stretchings, do that. If you can do home workouts, do them. Dance. Select the gayest, queerest song that you know. Dance on it every day. Pick a song. Connect with people online. And if you have money, if you can, give money to those of your friends who are living paycheck to paycheck or who've lost their jobs. Buy them groceries. If you don't want to give them money, buy them groceries. Ask them if they need anything. These are some of the things that you can do. But most important thing is please limit your news consumption around COVID-19. You can know too much. See, the idea is that repeated and incessant information is not going to give you any real control over this virus. Timely, daily, and very brief news is enough to keep yourself informed and safe. But if you get sucked into, always checking on what's going on, you're only going to make yourself feel bad. If you're working from home, make sure that you are you have enough boundaries. This is the time when I start, this is the time when I end. It's very easy to blur boundaries when your laptops are on your kitchen tables. Okay? And if you're managers, be careful of what you're expecting of your employees, because you can't expect the same things that you were expecting of them when everything was not in a pandemic state. So I would say taking care of yourself and having emotional hygiene is very, very important. Have a sense of gratitude to what is going right. Filtering out all the good things is not going to be helpful or functional for anybody. Meditate, exercise, try to learn something new if you can. But if you can't, also don't have this pressure of productivity. What you're going through is not normal. It's not easy. Self-care is the priority. If you come out of this healthy, if you come out of this functional, good. But just know, rely on your imagination to deal with this. You can deal with this. And you may not feel that right now, but you have dealt with a lot personally, and you can use the same imagination to deal with this collective pandemic that we're going through at the moment. I wish you all the best. Thank you very much.